Washing your face.
Did you wash your face this morning?
Yes, I washed it as soon as I got up.
Did you use that new face wash I bought?
No, I didn't. I used my usual soap.
You should try the new one. It's really gentle.
All right, I'll use it tomorrow.
Washing your hands.
Did you wash your hands before eating?
Yes, I washed them in the kitchen sink.
That's good. It's important to stay hygienic.
I always wash my hands before meals.
You're setting a great example for the kids.
Thanks.
Washing the car.
Did you wash the car this weekend?
No, I didn't wash it. I ran out of time.
It's really dirty. When will you clean it?
I'll wash it after work tomorrow.
Make sure you do. It's covered in dust.
I'll take care of it, I promise.
Washing your clothes.
Did you wash your clothes today?
Yes, I washed a full load this morning.
Did you remember to separate the colours?
Of course. I've learned my lesson from last time.
Good. No more pink shirts then?
Hopefully not.
Washing the dishes.
Did you wash the dishes after dinner?
No, I didn't wash the dishes.
Why not? The sink is full.
I'll do it in a few minutes.
All right, but don't leave them overnight.
Don't worry, I'll get to it soon.
Washing the dog.
Did you wash the dog yesterday?
Yes, I washed him in the backyard.
Was he cooperative?
Not really. He kept trying to run away.
That sounds stressful. Did he look clean afterward?
Yes, and he smelled so much better.
Washing the windows.
Did you wash the windows last weekend?
Yes, I washed all of them on Saturday.
Did it take long?
A couple of hours, but now they're sparkling clean.
Great job. It makes the whole house look brighter.
Thanks, I'm glad you noticed.
Washing your hair.
Did you wash your hair this morning?
No, I didn't wash it today.
Why not? It looks a bit oily.
I didn't have time. I'll wash it tonight.
Good. You'll feel much fresher after.
True.
Washing the laundry.
Did you wash the laundry today?
Yes, I washed it early in the morning.
Did you hang it outside to dry?
No, it's raining, so I used the dryer.
That's smart. Did everything dry properly?
Yes, it's all done.
Washing the floors.
Did you wash the floor yesterday?
Yes, I washed it in the afternoon.
It looks spotless. Great job.
Thanks. It was tiring, but worth it.
It makes a big difference in the house.
I agree.
Washing the curtains.
Did you wash the curtains last week?
No, I didn't wash them. I forgot.
They're looking a bit dusty.
I'll take them down and wash them this weekend.
Good idea. They'll look much fresher.
Definitely.
Washing the pots and pans.
Did you wash the pots and pans after cooking?
Yes, I washed them right away.
That's great. It's easier when you clean them immediately.
I know. It saves so much effort later.
I'll do the same next time I cook.
It's worth it.
Washing the towels.
Did you wash the towels today?
Yes, I washed them this morning.
Did you use fabric softener?
No, I forgot. They still feel clean, though.
Next time, add it. It makes them softer.
I'll remember.
Washing the kitchen counter.
Did you wash the kitchen counters after cooking?
Yes, I washed them before sitting down to eat.
Good. They look spotless.
Thanks. I used that new cleaner you bought.
It works really well, doesn't it?
It does. I'll keep using it.